Hey guys, welcome to my channel again, and today's journey will be taking you onto a short video on how to replace the cold air intake in your car, and I will demonstrate it in my car right now. Alright, as you can see in my car right now, it is using a cold air intake from the Apexi. It is pretty dirty. Looking at this setup right now, it's kind of very crude and yeah, unpleasant. I have friends telling me, oh, why are you putting this ugly foam here, which is like kind of an eyesore. Yeah, I agree it's pretty ugly, but what I'm trying to do is to prevent the hot air from the engines to get sucked into this cold air intake cone filter. This is a pretty old Apexi. I'm not sure if this is the real one. Maybe you guys can tell me if it's a genuine one or a knockoff Apexi. I'm not sure, but I do have purchased another set of a new setup for this, which has a L bend shift that goes right into this wheel arch here. Barely you can see because it's kind of dark, but my hands can literally reach in, plenty of space inside, right? And hopefully that space would allows me to join better cold air instead of having this hot air coming into this intake, right? So now I have to remove this cone 01 and replace it with the new one. It's pretty simple task, but let's run through the videos. If you guys are interested in DIY stuff, do remember to check out my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe now and hit the notifications bell, and let's get working on the replacement of the cold air intake setup right now. old Apexi air intake that I removed from the car. Look how dirty it is. So guys, a reminder that you should be cleaning up your air filters very frequently, especially for this cold air intake open port setup. So guys, if you can see, can you tell me if this is originals? Yeah, so I'm not too sure if this is the original one, but it looks legit. But guys, if you guys can identify if this is the real one, do leave your comments below. So let's get back to the new setup. Well, that was a very quick replacement, and I'm very satisfied with what I've done today. And let's check out what is installed onto the car and give you a good rundown of what has been done. First, I removed the original air intake. As you can remember, right in the earlier video, it was pretty ugly. And right now, look at this gorgeous. I really love it because it's such a simple design, and I do not know if I really need another heat shield, but I probably could cover it around here, this surface. Not sure if you guys can see it, but this is awesome because the air filter is right smack at the bottom. So let's take a look from the front. You want to get this kind of straight, but it is okay. The weight is not bearing on to the joints itself because the L-shaped band right now is actually being supported by the cone filter, right? So all the weight is being supported by the filter that is beneath here, right? And so pretty stable, not much of a vibration possibly. And right from this angle, you can see it's kind of straight into and down. Right, guys, let's start up the engine and let's try it out.